Hi, my name is Mike Lawrence. This video is one of a set which is intended to provide a different interpretation of the experimental results that constitute the foundation of current physics. It is clear that the present explanation for what we see in the universe is good in many ways, but it is missing an overall coherence. My view is that we need to look at physics with new eyes and consider an interpretation that explains most things well, even if it does question just about everything. I do not disagree with any experimental results, only the interpretation of those results. And I do not say that the hypothesis that I'll be talking about in these videos is the theory of everything, and that everything I suggest is correct, but it is a start. Each video in the set will cover an aspect of physics. The whole set needs to be understood together in combination, because many aspects rely on each other, and any one taken on its own may not be convincing to those relying on the current interpretations, some of whom may actually be offended by the hypothesis. There will be links in the videos to other videos in the set that cover closely related or overlapping aspects. Within the boxes in the videos are representations of the motions of the particles and their composites, which I will be explaining more fully. I'm happy to answer questions where I can, perhaps providing links to where a deeper mathematical analysis shows why I say what I do, since equations and graphs do not make good videos, and will post replies where appropriate on Twitter. I hope you enjoy the videos and they enable you to better appreciate the absolute symmetry and simplicity of nature. But please remember, I'm not an experienced presenter, and although I state everything as if it were correct, this is only a hypothesis. This is video number 11, why the electron and Planck charges need to be adjusted by the square root of 10 to the minus 7. Before SI units, there were other unit systems like CGS-ESU and CGS-EMU that each tried to combine electrostatic and electromagnetic properties into a coherent system. Between those two unit systems there was a difference of the square root of 10 to the minus 7 in their chosen values for the electron charge. SI units took over the wrong one and did not include the 10 to the minus 7 factor. When converting between the adjusted Planck values for the meon mass and charge, it becomes apparent that the 10 to the minus 7 factor is required to adjust the meon charge energy, QC cubed, to be equal to the meon mass energy, MC squared. This adjustment then needs to be applied to the value of the electron charge in SI units, so that the relationship between the electron charge and the adjusted Planck charge is the square root of the fine structure constant divided by 2 pi. If this adjustment and the elimination of the gravitational constant g is followed through to all the properties, both electrostatic and mechanical, the result is the double adjusted SI unit system. This can be shown mathematically to be completely self-consistent. I use this system for all equations and calculations. The analysis also enables the creation of an underlying form of dimensionality, where there are two separately sized systems depending on whether the properties under consideration are loop or meon based. The meon based system has a property set of double adjusted SI values that are powers of Planck's constant and the speed of light only. The loop-based system has a property set of double adjusted SI unit values that are powers of Planck's constant, the speed of light, and the square root of the fine structure constant divided by 2 pi. The dimensionalities of properties such as mass, y to the power of 1, radius, y to the power of minus 3, and charge, y to the minus 1, leads directly to the laws of physics, which will be the same for any loop-based systems that have meons as their constituents, although when the system has different loop sizes, that will lead to a different chemistry. Related videos will be 12, what is dimensionality and how does it explain the laws of physics, and 13, what is the double adjusted SI Planck unit system. Thank you for watching.